Welcome to my channel. This is Rima Bhavsar, your Austin local realtor, making your real estate journey stress-free. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and press the subscribe button. But that being said, let's go straight to the topic. Well, I'm getting a lot of buyers that are kind of waiting around to even purchase a property. They're thinking that there's going to be a significant price rate drop after the Feds, they have the meeting in September. Not only the buyers, the sellers are also debating if they should be lowering or dropping their price points right now, or should they even wait due to the market conditions right here in Austin, Texas. So what's going on? The experts are speculating that the Federal Reserve might be dropping the interest rates in the next meeting, which is going to be in the mid-September, so about 2 weeks from watching this video. Stefan Brown, Deputy of Chief North America Economist, mentioned that the Fed is likely considering a cut of either 0.25 or 0.5 percentage points. Now, this is significant because the last time we saw a rate cut was at the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic, when rates were slashed to near zero. This was done to stimulate the economy, and it had a massive effect on everything from borrowing cost to the real estate market. Now, let's talk about how this can affect the real estate market. For those of you that know, Austin has been one of the hottest real estate markets in the country in the last few years. Now, if the Feds decide to lower the interest rates even by 0.5%, there's going to be an increase in the home buyers. Lower rates typically mean lower mortgage payments, making homes more affordable and possibly reigniting competition in the market. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Austin market has also been cooling off due to rising home prices and economic uncertainty. A rate cut might bring some buyers back, but it could also lead to further inflation in home prices, which might push affordability out of reach for many. Now, what about the rest of the country? Well, it's going to be different depending on where you live. In states with already overheated market like California or New York, a rate cut might help stabilize prices, preventing them from dropping too quickly. On the flip side, in markets that have been struggling like parts of Midwest or Southeast, a rate cut could stimulate demand, leading to a potential rebound in home sales. But there's also another side to this. If the Feds decrease the interest rates, there's also going to be an increase in the refinancing from the home buyers trying to get the low interest rate locked down, making their mortgage payments lower. This could provide a temporary boost to the real estate sector, but it's important to keep in mind that economic uncertainty still looms large. So what should you do if you're thinking about home buying or selling? If you're a buyer, keep an eye on interest rates and be prepared to act quickly. If the Fed cuts rate, it could be an opportunity to lock in a lower mortgage rate. Now, for sellers, on the other hand, you should consider the possibility of increased competition. Pricing your home at a competitive price and being prepared for negotiations will be the key. And remember, real estate is local, so whatever happens in Austin may not be exactly what's happening on where you are living. So if you need expertise, make sure to reach out to your local real estate agent. And if you don't have a realtor, we have a form in the description below. That way we can connect you to the agent, not just only in the US, but also all over the world. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please let me know what you guys think in the comments on what's going to happen with the rate cuts and how that's going to affect the real estate market. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.